In today's video, I'll show you how to change the year-end date in QuickBooks Online step by step. Setting the correct year-end date is important because it helps keep your financial records organized and makes reporting much easier. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account using your login details. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top of the screen and click the Settings icon, which looks like a small gear. From the menu that appears, select Account and Settings. This is where you can manage the main configuration for your QuickBooks account. Next, click on the Advanced tab. Inside this section, scroll down until you find the Accounting area. This section contains important financial settings for your business. Here, you will see an option called Close the Books. Turn this option on if it is not already enabled. This allows you to set a closing date for your financial records. After enabling this option, you will see a field where you can enter the closing date. This closing date works as your financial year-end. Choose the date that matches the end of your fiscal year. Make sure you select the correct date so your reports and financial data stay accurate. Once you finish selecting the date, click Save to apply the changes. It's always a good idea to review the date one more time before saving to make sure everything is correct. After saving, your year-end date will be updated, and QuickBooks will use this setting for your financial records. And that's how you change the year-end date in QuickBooks Online. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.